So we just came to this commercial door. There's no handle here, so what I believe was happening was they used the key to, pull the door shut, which, eventually it got loose and all the springs and the core and everything came out. That was problem number one. Problem number two is that whoever came to service this door, they stripped that screw right there. So what we're gonna do, and this right here is not, the hook bolt is not functioning anymore with the key either. We try to turn it, no action. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the screws off from the top to the bottom, and we're gonna remove this cylinder right here, and we're gonna replace that, and we're gonna see if this is gonna work or we gotta replace that as well. A total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that we gotta undo. So we took the 5 screws off. Now it gives us access to this strip screw that you see right there, and we're just going to be able to use our pliers and just take that out, and then that gives us access to remove the cylinder. So we just got that backed out a little bit, and we removed the cylinder on this side. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the top and the bottom along with this cylinder. This cylinder we can just take out as normal because it is not stripped. As you can see, we can just unscrew it easily and pull it out. So we can get our flathead screwdriver, put it in, turn it, and then we will go ahead and just spin this cylinder and remove it. Next, we can now remove this screw and that screw, and it would be able to just come right out. If we take a look right here, you'll see that right there, the cam lock fell off of the cylinder, got stuck in the tracks right there, and was causing it to not function correctly. So now that we took that out, this works perfectly. Just to show you, we put the set screw back, and we can now turn this lock, and it functions as if nothing was wrong with it. So we'll go ahead and put that all back in, replace the set screw, and then show you the finished product. Alright, so we had to drill out that set screw right there to make it function, and then we put a new set screw inside as well, and we're going to go ahead and put this all back up right now. So we're going to place this inside right here, and then we're going to put a screw on top and a screw on bottom. Right, we got our 2 screws inside, 1, 2. We're going to go ahead and put the new lock inside. Alright, we put this lock inside. It functions perfectly. So we went ahead and tightened the set screw, and now we are going ahead and putting this lock inside as well. And once we get the right position, we will tighten that as well. Here we go. Got to get that in the right position. We'll check it out. All right, now we got this in the right position. You can actually see exactly where the set screw is in the grooves of the lock, and it functions flawlessly. Sorry about that. There you go. Unlocked and locked. If you drill this out, you got to be extremely careful, because if you drill it and you hit the sides, then your set screw is not going to work anymore because the grooves are going to be damaged. So you have to be very careful. You have to know what you're doing, and in order to get it done correctly. What we're going to do is we're going to finish it up by putting this back onto the door, and it's got 5 spots for a screw, and we're just going to do what we we're just gonna go in reverse from the beginning and put this back on the door. Right, we got all 5 screws inside, and this door is now finished. We're gonna go ahead and switch this out soon for a handle, either add one or change that out to a handle right there, and this way it can function and they don't have to use a cylinder to pull the door in and out when they want. They can just use that and allow this to function for a lot longer than it did. Thank you so much for watching.